attire. We're making cakes today, aren't we?
And I'm making cake.
Yeah, and I was going to put an apron on, but we haven't got an Ellis size apron. And if I put one on, he's going to want to wear one of my ones. And that's just going to be a bit of a mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
So should we make some cakes?
Yeah.
Make some banana chocolate chip ones?
Yeah.
Ellis, how old are you?
I'm 2.
You're 2, yeah! Perfect. And so yeah, we're going to make some banana chocolate chip muffins. I've got a recipe from Emily Norris put on her video the other day, and I thought that looks like a good idea. I'm going to give them a go. They are
biased.
But they're not vegan, so I've substituted 1 large egg for chia egg, which is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, so what do we have, Ellis? For this recipe we need 5 tablespoons, 5 of butter, melted and slightly cooled. Obviously I've not melted it yet, but there's 5 tablespoons of butter, isn't it?
Yeah.
1.5 cups of plain flour. I'm not sure if that's 1.5 cups, so I have got a little bit of self-raising flour if we don't have enough. Sure, it'll be fine. We then have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm sure you could probably use caster sugar, but I'm using brown sugar. A teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Then we have a quarter teaspoon of salt. 3 bananas. They're meant to be ripe bananas, but we've eaten them all. But since I bought the bananas, we've eaten them all. I had to buy some yesterday, so they're not overripe. They're just. We'll just mash them up. Excuse me. 1 large egg, which is the chia egg, which I just mentioned. Vanilla extract. And chocolate chips. You like chocolate?
Yeah.
And then we have obviously our cupcake cases, which Ellis is going to put in here in a minute. So first of all, let me just warm this butter up. So what to do? I'll heat the oven. Alexa, what's 350 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
350 degrees Fahrenheit is about 176.7 degrees.
176.7 degrees Celsius. Perfect. 180 degrees it is. Melted our butter.
Yeah.
Butter.
I don't like it.
I'm not asking you to eat it. Oh. Butter melted. Okie dokie artichoke. So we're going to put in this bowl, Ellis.
Yeah.
Let me that away a second. In the bowl.
Yeah.
We'll leave that there for a second. Don't worry about that right now. We are going to put 1.5 cups of flour.
Yeah.
Doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit.
Ooh, how many? Oopsie. I was supposed to put it on your other hand. Okay. Now let's tip this in.
Yeah.
So it's got 1 cup of plain flour and then, that's just flour. And then 1/2 cup of self-raising flour. I know the recipe doesn't say to do that, but so we've got. I have to finish it at some point. Okay, now put that in. You're using your left hand. Okay, do what you want to do. 1.5 cups of flour. Oh, wait, you're patting it down to roll your sleeves up. We need half a cup of sugar. I've got. You let me undo it, then you can do the rest of it. Okay, you help me. Oh, let me just move this out of the way so you can. Go on then. Help me. Sugar. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. A bit on the side. That's all done. Now you put that in the green bowl.
Yeah.
Great. And then how much are we doing? 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon.
I don't need one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
1 teaspoon. Great. And can you do 1 teaspoon? I don't want you to overdo it because that'd be gross if you do. Right. Oh, perfect. And then we're just going to do a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
I'll put it in my hand, don't worry. Here you go. And now you want to mix it. It's just to whisk it. I don't know why you'd whisk all these ingredients. That's a bit weird. They're all dry. So you're going to stir, stir, stir. Flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. Yeah. In another bowl. Of course we want to need another bowl. Huh?
I don't know.
No. You're doing no more. Another bowl. Right, can I help with this a little bit? Make sure it's all nicely stirred.
Hot.
It's not hot. Right, all done. I'll move this over here. Then in this one, we put melted butter.
Yes.
Shall I tip it in?
Yes.
Does it look yucky? Okay, and then we have to mash up the bananas.
Yeah.
So you mash them. Can you help me peel the banana? You peel it?
Yeah.
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 That's not the skin. We want this bit in here. That's it. Great. Not that. And then put the banana in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, put the banana. It's okay. Put the banana in here. Then we have to mash it. We go mash. You're not a fan.
No.
Do you want me? I'll do this. Can you put these in these holes for me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do that whilst I'm doing this?
I like it.
Oh, I like it. Banana to the bowl. Vanilla. I'm going to whisk it till all blended. Want some help? Or are you okay?
I don't have.
When I use the whisk, Ellis runs away, so I'm going to try and do it without
I
whisking
can
it.
do it.
Do you want help?
I can do it.
You did it. There you go. Great, Ellis. You happy with that? You happy? Yeah? Great.
Yay! Auntie.
In a bowl, add the whisk, the melted butter, and the egg. I knew something was
I have a thing. Make side.
and my egg.
That's the name.
This looks vile, doesn't it? Is that mixed together? Do you want to mix it? You want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, look, see, add these together and you mix it together with a fork. Shall I put it in here?
Yeah.
Great, great, great. Gonna pour it in. It looks a bit funny, doesn't it? It's okay, it's just banana.
I don't want banana.
Well, I'm afraid that's the crux of this
Put it in
recipe.
the dinner.
Put it in the dinner, they're going in the cake. Right, now we're gonna mix it with a fork. Can you mix that? Yep. You done?
Mix it in.
I'll mix it then. I'll mix it then.
I look at it.
So do not over mix. It needs to be blended. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Ellis, can you tell us a little bit about you? What's your favourite animal?
Animal. Papa sheep.
You like sheep? You like the sheeps? Sheep. What's who's your favourite thing to watch on TV? Who do you like on television? What do you watch on TV, Ellis?
I put the Papa sheep.
Yeah, you said that. What else do you like?
Papa sheep.
Yeah.
Doing.
2 forks. Yeah, my arms are getting tired. Yeah, now we're going to put in the chocolate chip. Now it's all mixed together, looks like that. Let me just double check. Before we put that in, let me double check the recipe. Stir in the chocolate chips. Okay. Get my spoons ready for decanting. Right, you're going to put the chocolate... I don't think we need all of them. How many do you want to put in?
I want
You want 1?
2.
They're going in here. I don't know if you're going to like them. Okay. Eat them as chocolate chips. You want to pour them in? He had some dark chocolate from nursery the other day and he said it was spicy. Oops, I think that's enough. Yeah, use about half that bag.
9. At mine.
They're going in here. We're going to cook them.
No. Look there.
Yeah, I'll do it. I think I'm turn to cakes. They look delicious, actually. I do say so myself.
I like cake.
You like cake? What's your favourite type of cake?
I eat it.
You eat it. When do you have cake? Do you have cake for birthdays? Whose birthday is it?
Me.
Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think it is.
It's my birthday, Daddy.
Daddy's not in the room. When's your birthday, Ellis? Is your birthday in August?
Yes.
Yeah, we're in February. We're in
Away.
February at the minute.
Away. What is it all?
Yeah, Ellis, where are we going next week?
And in the park.
Yes. Where else are we going? Who are we going to meet next week?
And the Granny Funky.
Yeah, Granny and Grampy's. But we're going anywhere special next week.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Disney.
Disney. Yeah, we're going to Disneyland next week.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to be very exciting. We're going to Paris. Mummy's a little bit nervous about the weather. There's a lot in here. Follow the recipe. Why is there so much?
No.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven. Say bye-bye. See you soon.
In the soon. Later.
That noise. I mean, they're done.
Yeah.
Have a look. Oh, they look delicious.
Whoa.
It's very hot, so don't touch it. So, they're not as smooth as the picture made them out to be.
Oh, yeah.
But they look delicious, don't they?
Yeah.
They smell delicious too, if I do say so myself.
Banana gone.
The banana's gone, yeah, you're right.
Oh, wee.
Wowee!
It's very hot, Mummy.
Are we going to say, cool it, mummy?
Toilet, Mummy.
Woohoo! What do we think?
It's really yummy.
They smell yummy.
Yeah.
They're really yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm hoping they cool down soon, then we can eat one.
Have this. It's really hot.
Mmm. Oh. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. This has been a success, which is always a plus, because sometimes they don't always work out. You can have another one, but you have to eat this one first.
Hold it.
You need to hold it. You have this one. You can hold that one. And there's not that much sugar in them. Obviously, they've got chocolate chunks in them, and only a half cup of sugar, which is not as bad as it could be. So, thumbs up. You gonna give it a thumbs up? I'll leave the recipe I used down below. Obviously, I use vegan butter and a chia egg, and I'll leave instructions how to make a chia egg if you're interested. And so yeah, we say they're good. You happy? Okay, say thanks for watching. See you next time.
Next time.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.